Psychology says the longer you hide your feelings for someone, the harder you fall for that individual. Pay attention to how a girl stands. If she crosses her arms and her legs, it's a strong sign of rejection. Men tend to lower their tone when they talk to someone they love. Guys really admire girls that they like, even if they are not that much pretty. Study shows that an average crush only lasts for 4 months. If the crush continues, it means you are in love. If you want to know if someone loves you, look at his or her eyes. The pupil expands as much 45% when we are in love. Giving a hint that he or she is single or available is usually a strong sign of this person being interested. If you are crushing on someone, there is 80% chance that the person is crushing on you as well. Sometimes the people who don't talk to you are the one who really wants you. When a man is in a room full of people, he will point his belly button towards the person he is most attracted to. Men tend to lie to make themselves look better, while women usually lie to avoid hurting people's feelings. A man has more chances to attract a woman if he wears the color blue. If someone likes you, they will tend to lean towards you and lean away from you if they don't. Why judge a girl for her behavior when her intentions are to be looked for? Be happy with nothing and you will be happy with everything. Strength is when you have so much to cry, but you smile instead of it. Honest feelings and bad timing make the most painful combination. Thank you for watching.